Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we are going to talk about a new series where this is the first video of that new series that I'll be telling you that what you should buy in this crypto bear market so that you could accumulate your wealth and why should you buy it. So the first token or the first video that I'm making on this series is the Stratos token. So here you can see the Stratos token which is around 20 cents. So it is 18% up when I'm making this video. It is on the Ethereum network. The market cap of this token right now is $5.5 million, which is nothing for this token. The total supply of this token is around 100 million tokens, which is quite less considering the usage of this token. So yeah, if you get a chance, you should accumulate this when the market is lower. So guys, let me give you some statistics on this coin. So here I'm on the max chart, and as you can see that in July 2021 it was around 63 cents, and then it is moving up and it went around 5 cents also, and while now it is down to 20 cents. So the all-time high of this token is 5.48 cents, while the all-time low is around $0, which gives you an insane return. As you can see here, the percentage return it has given in just 1 month. The low was around 8 months back, while the high was around 7 months back. So in just 1 month it has given you an insane amount of return, guys. That's incredible. That's incredible. This also you should keep in mind. While the coin is now dumped, and I'm not telling that it could not go lower, it will definitely go lower, because if the crypto market only goes lower, it will pull down all of these altcoins and it will take the market down. That's not an issue right now, and you could just buy it when it is down. And you could see the market cap rank is around 1034, which is quite good. The market cap is around 5.5 million dollars. That's not an issue right now. So let us now deep dive into this project and see what all this project has to offer you and why should you invest your hard-earned money into this project. So Stratos is basically the next generation of decentralized data mesh. So what is data mesh? First, let us learn that. So guys, this is the product, the decentralized data mesh. So the data mesh is the first decentralized data architecture that provides scalable, reliable, self-balanced storage, database and computation network, and offers a solid foundation for data processing. So this is the decentralized data architecture that provides you scalable, reliable, self-balanced storage, database and computation network, and offers a solid foundation for data processing, which has a very good use case in this Web 3.0 and blockchain space. So what all happens here is that it offers you the decentralized storage, the decentralized database, decentralized computing, and the decentralized blockchain, and it offers users and developers a solution of infrastructure that they need to build their dApps on. So let us now learn what is the storage, the database, and all of those things. So Stratos decentralized storage network is scalable, reliable, self-balancing, elastic acceleration network driven by data traffic. It accesses data efficiency and safely. The user has the full flexibility to store any data regardless of the size and the type. While the database, so the Stratos decentralized database is scalable, high availability, non-schema, non-maintenance, no single point failure database. With Stratos blockchain, the database also offers an immutable feature which could power Oracle and data aggregation for any blockchain project. Computing. So the Stratos decentralized computing network is a perfect edge computing network which offers low latency and a trusted execution environment by your neighborhood. Edge computing aims to make our lives smarter and easier. Blockchain. So the Stratos blockchain is a value network that facilitates all decentralized ledger transactions and functionalities, where the value circulation of the Stratos ecosystem is guaranteed for all stakeholders. So these are all the products that I've told you about, and all of these products combine to make the decentralized data mesh of this Stratos network. While this is a very good product, where you could see that if someone has to build something, let's say Google, uh, web3 of Google, web3 of YouTube, web3 of anything that needs storage, so they need this service, or they need to build the infrastructure, which is very hard to build, and it is not quite advisable that you should build all over again all of these things that are readily available in the market. So they would just go to Stratos in the coming near future. So what are the features of this Stratos network? So auto cleanup network. So automatically Stratos network automatically cleans up the network when demand decreases, and reducing the consumption of network storage with guaranteed data availability by defaulting to minimum copies. Self-driven acceleration network. So automatically balancing the data allocation driven by regional demand brings the data closer to the user, removing latency and improving performance. No more configuration and analysis is needed for operation. So resilient and self-balanced network. So benefiting from the peer-to-peer communication of edging nodes, satisfying the traffic demand within closer geographic regions without affecting the backbone network. So who are the strategic investors? So the strategic investors are Fundamental Labs, Kinetic, Fenbushi Capital, Particles, Spark, Bixin Ventures, DFG, SNZ, and Nothing Research. So let us see the roadmap and the milestones they need to achieve in the next 2 years. So 2022, the Stratos Incentive Network testnet was live. So it is live right now. You can just go and test it. So the Stratos Incentive Testnet features enrichment, Stratos SDK development, code auditing, Stratos chain and storage mainnet launch, onboarding ecosystem partners, Stratos ecosystem applications, bounty programs, governance program, decentralized computation and R&D. While I see the timeline of the roadmap of 2022, you could see that many of the things that has not happened in this network are going to happen in 2022. And if you are accumulating this in the bear market, then you could be a winner if all of these things that they try to offer you are being released. So if they are true, so they will release all of these things, and if they will release all of these things, the demand of the Stratos token will be high, and they are only 100 million tokens, and 100 million tokens is nothing for these kind of projects. If they use for these kind of projects, because they are going to use this token in the circulation of this network, and for used as a payment to the validators, to the networks, and many more things they are going to use in this. Then Q1 of 2023, they are going to use the Stratos decentralized computation testnet dedicate computation. Then Q2 of 2023, they are going to do Stratos decentralized computation mainnet dedicated computation bounty program. Then Q3 of 2023, they are going to do Stratos decentralized computation testnet general computation. Q4 of 2023, they are going to do main things like the Stratos decentralized computation mainnet general computation, onboarding bounty program for computation applications, decentralized database, and R&D. So we need to deep dive into the team. So what's the team like? How they are? What's their background? How much reliable are they? So let's start with the team, guys. So the team behind Stratos have built enterprise level data infrastructure and implemented a number of complex blockchain systems. So that team comprises of the team of the Amazons, Alibabas, and many more, guys. So Bin Zhu is the founder, Jin Zhuo is the CTO, Alex Lan is the VP Research and Development, Claire Zhang is the Head of Marketing and Communications, guys. So Alexander Kovalov is the Senior Front-End Developer, Mark Anthony Dumias is the Blockchain Developer, Jiling Bai is the Senior Backend Developer, Hong Kong is the Backend Developer, Xiang Shong is the Backend Developer, guys. This is the Stratos wallet, guys. So Stratos wallet application is built to provide great experience for users to safely create and manage wallets, make transactions, delegate and earn rewards on Stratos chain. Users are able to send, receive, delegate, and earn Stratos native cryptocurrency STOS which can be also used to leverage other Stratos modules, including Stratos decentralized storage. Stratos wallet is available in Windows, Mac, and Linux desktop app. Mobile app is being developed and will be released later in the coming near future. So guys, what is Stratos? Let me take you to the FAQs of this and let me explain you more about this project. So Stratos, the name comes definitely from the stratosphere, and as stratosphere makes a layer over the earth, so they have built an infrastructure of decentralized services that they can compare to that layer of the earth building on the blockchain atmosphere. So providing the blockchain applications with decentralized storage, decentralized databases, decentralized computing services, etc. So what is the difference between the Stratos and the similar projects? So Stratos is a solid layer 0 infrastructure, means Stratos has its own blockchain network which they will be leveraging to us, means the users and the developers. And Stratos uses the proof of traffic incentive model. Huh? Wait, what is it? What is proof of traffic? So they are not using the proof of work and proof of storage. As you know, they are not that sustainable models, while the proof of traffic is very sustainable model according to them, and I'll explain you why it is sustainable and why this will grow in demand in the coming near future. So what happens nowadays, if you're watching YouTube, Google, Netflix, they don't rely on storage to obstate users, but earns revenue through huge traffics by showcasing ads. So now what happens here is that in the major internet companies, if they are using traffic volume to generate revenues, what Stratos will be using is the same thing, means the proof of traffic. So it is a very healthy and a sustainable model to earn revenue from the users, which would be greater in comparison to the proof of works, proof of stakes, and many more. So what is the use of the Stratos token? The Stratos token can be buy and held and can be exercised for a huge profit, but the utilities of this token are: Stratos token will be stake delegated to validators to secure the blockchain network. Stratos will be issued as proof of traffic mining reward. Stratos will be consumed in the payment of the transaction fees. Stratos will be prepaid for Stratos resource network service traffic fees. So how can you buy Stratos token? Is through the Uniswap. You can buy your Ethereum tokens from the Binance exchange, then you could withdraw it to your MetaMask and then log into your Uniswap. Just connect your MetaMask, select the Stratos token, just swap it, and voila, you have the Stratos token. This is the white paper of the Stratos token. Herein they have explained very carefully about all of the things that you need to know about the Stratos token. If you want, you can just go and check the white paper out to know more updates about this project. And yeah, you could just check their white paper out if you want to invest in it. Guys, you should do always your own research on all of the projects that you are going to invest in. Just deep dive into it, just make your money and time count on it. And yeah, if you want to invest, you can just go and invest in it. That's up to you. I've just explained you about this project, and I'm going to find all of kind of these projects in the coming near future and will help you how you should invest your money while we are in a bear market. So if you like this video, guys, click on the like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you don't want to miss any of the updates. And guys, just enjoy blockchain.